Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's card, you guys, this is from Haley. She is Supreme Glitter Queen on Instagram. Look at this, you guys. This is hand painted. I ripped off the label so you can't see. And then it says happy birthday on every other circle. All the details. Look at this. This would have taken me 2 weeks to paint. Look at this, so cute. Craft purge and then little presents everywhere. Girl, so cute. I already read your card. Look at this, you guys. Look at these cute little bows she sent. This little like double layered die cut. Oh, that's a perfect idea as like a bag topper. Just put two together and glue the very two top pieces. All these cute little organza bows. I don't know if you made these or maybe bought them somewhere, but if you made these, I know these took a lot of time. So thank you, Haley. Okay. Oh my gosh, so much goodie, and I gotta save this shred. Okay, I'll go over, I guess, one thing at a time. Okay, open this little package, this cute bow ribbon. I think that might be from Hobby Lobby. Super cute. Oh yes, some socks. What's it? Let's avocado. How cute, little avocado socks. I love like crazy pattern socks and stuff. So thank you, Haley. Her entry, how cute is this, you guys? So she's got a little like shaker style card. She layered it and then put sequins in there. How cute is this? Eat cake, little thickers on there. And then on the inside, it is stamped a very happy birthday. And you can see it's that like stitched style heart, I think from xxox. So cute, Haley. And then look at the little dog balloons, my favorite. I'm obsessed with doggy balloons. How cute is that? And then here's the card to go with it. Super cute entry, Haley. And then these must be her bows. Oh, she like added tool. So she like did a regular bow and then just added some tulle to the very top. So it's like half-breed tulle tulle bows. How cute is that? Such a great idea. A little confetti in there. Super cute. Oh my gosh, look at this little fun wand, you guys. It is a pom-pom wand. Look how cute. And it's like mint and pinks and then the rainbow stick. Little trims. This will go on my wand tray thing. Strawberry lollipop. At first I thought it was a bath bomb. It's a lollipop, you guys, shaped like a rose. How neat. I've never seen anything like that. Ooh, and then this might be a bath bomb. Something smells good. Probably this one. Strawberry vanilla bath bomb. Ooh, thank you for sharing. And then what is this fancy thing? Oh, what is this? Okay, get the little shaker bits. So it's like a shaker on the very top, layered multiple times. Let the good times roll, and then it says beautiful day. She's got a little banner, the little candles. Super cute, this trip. Oh my gosh, it's an embellishment box, you guys. Okay, let me try to open this. Whoa, okay. So she decorated the very inside, the like lid part, so you don't see all like the glue on the back. And then look at all this goodness, the little tassels, paper flowers, these little resin pieces, organza ones. Look at these little, look at that bling, you guys. I've never seen any bling like that. Ooh, thank you for sharing. Ooh, and look at these gems. They're like holographic style ones. These cute little bows in there as well. Super cute, Haley. And then these little pearls, some trim to make some tassels, a little sequins mix she made. Some little blue paper flowers, and look at these cute little pom-poms in here. This is like a perfect birthday package. And then it says Toni right here on the lid as well. How cute. This is a surprise. Thank you for sharing. So we got this package, and it's super like heavy. Oh, did you make, I don't know if she made this like a little bag. I'm not sure if it was wrapping paper and she made a bag with eyelets. You have to let me know. I need to do this. Okay, and then stuff. Champagne, strawberries, and marshmallow covered in chocolate. Ooh, these look fun. And then look at this. Unicorn frappe, naturally artificial flavored. Make it blended. Oh, wow. Frozen bean frappe blends. Limited edition. Makes 2 cups, you guys. Ooh, how fun is this? Super cute. And I love that packaging. And then, I think this is it. Look at all that yummy shred I'm saving, because I have an obsession with shred. Look at this cute little package. Look at the little avocado wrapping paper. So cute. I love avocado. Lovely time. And then my name. Oh my gosh, some goodie bags. How cute are these? Oh, and stickers. Ooh, perfect. Just in time for Valentine's Day. And then look at these drawstring treat bags with the little love you llama with the cute little hearts, and she's all fancied up with her little outfit on. Super cute. Thank you so much, Haley, for playing and all these extra goodies that you did not have to send. So here's her entry. Thank you so much. Like, you guys are like really surprising me. And then I missed these cute little heart gems. Ooh, these are cute and only $1. Dang, great deal. What store is this stuff from? Thank you for playing, Haley. Next package is from Karina, and look at this, you guys. I am in shred heaven. And look at all these like pink glitter balls in here. Super cute. Okay, let's see what's in. Oh, let me take this stuff out. Here's their card. That might be the entry. Look at all these cute, fun balls at the bottom, you guys. Look at this. Love, 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 Karina. Thank you. Oh, what's this? This cute little, might have fell off of something. Let me read my note. Oh, okay, so the extra she just sent for, you know, me, the birthday girl. Look how cute this little bow is. Paper clip with the little dangle charm on there. How cute. So this is the Planner Society stuff. So she shared some of it with me. Super cute, because I don't subscribe to that just because I don't really plan, you know, and I don't want to have a bunch of stuff I don't end up using. But look how cute these bows are. Look at these, you guys. They're like glitter stitched looking bows. How cute is this one? This little graphic. Look at these girls right here. This cute, oh, it's a pocket, I think. Yep, it's a pocket. How cute is that? And then look at these guys. Oops, I just dropped one. The candle, the cute little couch, little desktop. And then this, super cute. Thank you for sharing those goodies with me. I know they're like super rare, once in a lifetime things to get because they only do the box once. So there's the bow. Okay, let's look. Wrapped it up all cute in this scalloped paper. Yep, this is her challenge. Super cute. Okay, look at her little bag topper with these gorgeous bows. Ooh, I've never seen a bow like that. Cute little fiber one. Then the little Alina Cuddle. Super cute bows. And I love this back, like almost like vellum paper too. Super pretty. And this vellum, is this from the collection too? The Planner Society? I think it is. And then here's her card. She did a video response that I watched. She's layered it up 3 different times, puffed it all up. This cute little scrubby eyelash trim. Cute little trim. Look at this little tab with that bow that she gifted me some of those. Super cute. And then it says, happy birthday, stamped on the inside. Super cute. Oh, and then even look, the little, like a fake stamp on the envelope. How cute is that? Love this, Karina. So that's her entry, and then the rest are just her, you know, being so sweet and doing stuff you don't have to do. Ooh, what's this? Oh my gosh. Ooh, vanilla hand cream, lavish hand cream, and it smells good. I can smell it through the like wrapping paper. Ooh, yes, that does. It smells like winter. It just smells good. That like traditional rich vanilla. So good. Thank you. Super yummy. And then look at this fun little, I forgot what she called this trim, but she showed like a big yarn of it. It says, you are some kind of wonderful. It's got the cute Maggie Holmes wrapping paper. Oh, girl, my first ever sticker book. So cute, a Maggie Holmes sticker book, you guys. I never got these just because they were so expensive. But look how cute. Look at all the stickers in here, you guys. There's like pages on pages. Oh, that bow is my favorite on that last page of stickers on here, you guys. Little alphas. Oh, that swan, so cute. Gold. the banners, Chasing Dreams. Super wait to play with those. And then last but not least is this cute little scrubby one. Wrap this. I'm going to save this because I don't have that color. Next is, oh, how cute is this little baby clutch? Let's see. Holiday party kit with 14 something in there. Oh, so it's got double-sided tape, shoe insoles, face cleaning things, a little mini comb, emery board, band-aids, mirror, breath drops. So this is like, you're going out with your girls, you're gonna need this kit. How cute is this? And I love the like glitter, bubbly and bright. So cute. Thank you. Look at, got me all hooked up, looking pretty. Thank you so much, Karina, for playing. And then this must have just been on something. Brianne Summers. So cute. She has it in this little box, priority box, the little cheetah envelope. So of course the camera stopped rolling, you guys. I was like, oh my gosh, always does that, and I don't know when it stops. Okay, so this was her challenge entry. Look at these cute bows. She's the Ooh La La collection from Hobby Lobby. Love the cheetah print. And look at this cute little topper, you guys. She's the trim, puffed all this up on dimensional tape. So cute with that heart-shaped scallop. So cute from Allie. And then look, you guys. Here's her cute little envelope, matches the outside of the card. When I was first opening this, I was like, wait a minute. But I realized it is a fancy card box again, you guys. Look how cute. So she stamped and shaded all of that, and then all the glittery parts are like Wink of Stella, I think. And then glossy accents like on some of the parts to make it like super dimensional. All the bears, look at them popping out of presents. And then this very front tab is she like puffed it up and made it a shaker, you guys. Look how cute. The little bear right there, it says for a very special friend. How cute is that? It's the cutest little birthday card, you guys. Folds up like that, super thin, and fits right in the envelope. Super cute, Brianne, and I'm sad that I didn't get the initial reaction on here. And then she sent cute little unicorn stickers, you guys. Look how cute these are. In this cute little package that she decorated with the unicorn sticker and rosette and foil. Look at this, you guys. So cute, pastel, and look at, this is totally me. Will work for stickers. And then I was joking saying I was saving all of this stuff because I do have an entry I need to enter, and I'm like, I'm gonna save this and put it on that package because gotta reuse stuff, right? And then this cute little clip that was on one of the packages, magnetized one, super cute, right? And then these super cute hearts. I don't know if these are from Michaels or Hobby Lobby. I don't think I have them. I'm pretty sure I don't. And look at the cute little topper. She just decorated it versus just sending it as is. So cute. Something was in that bag. And then look at this fat little unicorn, you guys. With the, and it's furry and fuzzy. It's by eCake Success Brands. And then the little topper she made all cute with the Michaels sticker. Next, look at these cute bows. Just in time for Valentine's Day. Cute little like stickers as the center. This one's a double one she made. These are so cute. And then look at the topper, you guys. Double rosettes on there with some eyelash trim. And then I was wondering where you got these cute little like sunset peach color heart sequins. So cute. Okay, and then this, last but not least, look at these cute little hearts with the gold like lining foiling. So cute. I don't have these either, with this perfect little heart rosette. Super cute with the little ephemera pieces on there. So cute, Brianne. And I'm so mad at my camera for failing on me. So thank you for playing, girly.